Hey everyone, I am back with this little quick tutorial I wanted to do. This is an idea that Beth Wallen had showed on her video. I'm going to post that video in the description box. She was showing that she had made tape that looked aged, and this is just a piece of that tape that I have made, and you can see it does look aged. It looks like an old piece of tape. I put that on an old book page just to kind of give you an idea what it looks like. But this was in one of her videos that I was watching, and it is just so fun. I have added it, I think, in every journal so far that I have done since I seen her video with it. She told me that, or she tells you in the video, she didn't tell me, but she tells you in the video that she used the caramel alcohol ink, which I am using Tim Holtz Rangers alcohol ink and the caramel. She said to use cellophane tape. I used the transparent Scotch tape because I wanted it to just be the little 1/2 inch width. So there is what I'm using. And then to put it on something where it wouldn't stick, I use wax paper. Because what I will do is I'm going to take this and I just tear off a strip. And when you put it on the wax paper, it won't stick to it. You can peel it up and it's still sticky. So what I do is I take this. Now, you won't be able to leave it on the wax paper for a really long time. I mean, you want to use it, within a couple weeks, because I think it will start to pick up some of the wax off of your paper. Because I did notice, I don't know how long it will, I don't know. I would just use it, gift you enough that you'll have about a couple weeks supply if you're working with it. But what I do is I just take my strips, and you can't see the strips, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips. And then what I do is I get me a little piece of paper towel. I don't get a big piece. This is like a soft paper towel, so it's not a rough one. I take my alcohol ink and I just put a couple of dabs on it. Just like so. Okay, and then I take my little piece of paper towel and I just kind of rub it along the tape. Okay, that's just what I do. And it dries really quick, so you don't have to worry about it not drying on you. It doesn't take a whole lot of alcohol ink. And that's just what I do. And right there is your aged tape, is what it is. So that when I'll show you here in just a second, make sure I've got it kind of on there. Alright. Like I said, it won't take no time to dry. And you might want to wear gloves. I've got that on my fingers. So that's something you might want to do. So then, when I peel the tape up, oops. Alright, don't be difficult. This is so easy. So I just clip it, and it comes right off of the wax paper, so you don't have to worry about it sticking. And then there is your aged tape. Isn't that neat? That is so cool. So anyway, that is a really brilliant idea from Beth Wallen. And anyway, guys, it's that simple. So that was just a quick little tutorial. I hope everybody has a great day. I'll catch you in the next video.